So hi guys, this is Siddhant Krishiva and today we'll be talking about how to make a resume, a perfect resume for your dream job the 100% free way. Because there are a lot of sites over here on the internet available today that let you make your resume, but finally at the time of downloading they ask for surprisingly they ask for money or subscription or any kind of fees, which they don't tell you at the start. So all your efforts are gone or wasted, your time is wasted and it's frustrated. So I will tell you, I will show you the perfect site to create a wonderful resume, as resume is the most important and the first step to get a job, because resume decides, that's the very first thing that decides whether you are eligible for the high paying jobs or not. So don't waste the time, let's come to the action. So come to the Google Chrome browser and type here canva.com. As I have already typed here, as you can see, this is the home page. But first you have to sign up. Just sign up by clicking your name in it and email address and create a profile. This is the home page. It will show like this. The best part of this website is you can do here a lot of things that I will make another video on that, but and I will put the link on the description, you can watch it later. But for today the topic will be the resume. And the best part of this website is, one of another best part is, it you can see, you see this logo, these are the paid thing. It at the start initially tells you, at the very start tells you that certain things are paid over here, so you don't waste your time on that. But the good thing is that even you don't need them, because there are hundreds and hundreds of already uh, free templates over here which will fulfill your desire of your perfect resume. So just type here resume, as I have typed here in the search bar. I'll get a lot of options over here, lot of. So you don't even need the paid one. For like for example, if I click on this one, see what it states, that it's 100% fully customizable, and you can edit and download, and you can even publish to your LinkedIn, your Indeed or Naukri.com, or even you can take out a hard copy of this for your offline purposes. So if I double click on this, it will take me to another tab, and from here you can start editing it. Just scroll it a bit to zoom, just so it gets a little bigger, easy easy to see. And see, you can click this button, upload button, and you can add any of the photos over here. Like suppose if I want to just drag this like this, drag and put it over here, and double click, you can adjust the videos, adjust your thumbnail or your display picture, click on the names. There are a lot of fonts to choose from. You can change the color, like I color of this block, yellow, anything. You can even change the text color, anything. It's 100% customizable. And after all you have done, just click on this share button and click on this download. There are a lot of formats to choose. If you want in picture format, you can choose JPG, PNG. But for resume purpose specifically, I would suggest the default PDF standard is good. Click on the download button and see, already it has started downloading, and finally it has been downloaded to my download folder in the laptop. If I double click it to get a view of it. See, this is a 2 page of resume. I would suggest less is more in case of resume, so you can make it in a 1 page, or you can even add pages to have a multiple page resume from here. See, there are a lot of page you can add. Okay, so hope this was helpful. Subscribe for more and do watch my other videos. Thank you. Bye.